So the directions say, write the fraction as a product of a whole number and a unit fraction. So your answer should have three things. It should be a product, which means it should have a multiplication symbol. It should have a whole number. And it should have a unit fraction, 1 over something. So for number 7, 7/8. That is the fraction. We need to turn it into a product of a whole number and a unit fraction. What is my whole number going to be, Miriam? 7 times, and then what is my unit fraction sign?
1/8.
7 times 1/8. So for number 7, you should have gotten 7 times 1/8, because if I do 1/8 and 1/8 and 1/8 and 1/8 and 1/8 and 1/8 and 1/8, that's 7/8. 7 times 1/8, it's just much faster than adding like that. Okay, so I have a whole number, I have a multiplication sign, I have a unit fraction. So I've got all the pieces. Number 8, 1/12. Okay, somebody who can just tell me the whole answer. Ibrahim?
1/12 is equal to 1 times 1/12.
1 whole times the unit fraction 1/12, or 1/12. Because we know that 1 times anything is that same thing. So 1/12 is already a unit fraction. So 1 times 1/12 is 1/12. Okay, number 9, 6/5. Lilani? 6 wholes times the unit fraction 1/5. Good. Okay. So again, if you look at the question, 6/5, I still see the 6 and I still see the 5. They've just been broken apart. Okay, number 10, 5/6. Maha.
5/6 equals
5 wholes times the unit fraction 1/6. Good. Okay, number 11, 9/4. It's an improper fraction, but that's fine. Rahan? 9 wholes times the unit fraction 1/4. Good. And then the last one, number 12, 3/100ths, or 3/100ths. Miriam?
Okay. 100 times 3 wholes equals 300.
Right, 3 wholes times the unit fraction 1/100. So even big numbers, it's the same thing. Okay, so that is how you write a fraction as a product of a whole number and a unit fraction. The other thing that your homework involves is listing multiples. Guest greeter, will you get the door? Listing multiples. So, we know what multiples are, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Those are multiples. All right, hands and eyes. Don't worry about the boards. Look here, 1/10. What would you guess that the next multiple is going to be?
She's asking what the heck?
You know where we keep glue sticks? Table guys? 1/10. What's the next multiple going to be? Would you guess? Ibrahim?
2/10.
2/10. And the next one?
3/10.
And the next one?
4/10.
Right, and the next one?
5/10. 6/10. 7/10.
Right, so we could just keep going and going and going. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10. So over here, 1/8. The next one would be 2/8. Then
3/8.
3/8.
4/8.
4/8.
5/8.
5/8. Good. So, multiples and products. That is what your homework is. That's all your homework is.
That's easy. That's gonna be